Automatic 3+2-Axis roughing, feature-based machining direction optimization. Selecting machining directions for complex parts can be a time-consuming process. Traditional approaches often focus primarily on material removal volume, without fully considering the actual geometry of the workpiece. This can result in unnecessary orientations and longer machining cycle time. With the new feature-based machining direction optimization, Automatic 3+2-Axis roughing takes a smarter approach. Instead of evaluating only the amount of material to remove, the system analyzes the part's geometric features and mesh structure to identify the most effective machining directions. The result is a more optimized roughing strategy with fewer orientations, shorter NC programs, reduced machining cycle time, lower production costs, and streamlined programming workflows without sacrificing part quality or machining performance.